what message you like to leave to whoever is just curious about quantum touch and didn't learn that yet?
Okay, so this is an easy question for me. I can tell you with absolute certainty, it will change your life. I wouldn't even think twice about it. I wouldn't second guess it. I wouldn't question it. I would literally jump on a workshop with complete certainty that it will be something that changes not just your life, but the people around you. And I consider myself to be so phenomenally blessed that during the recent world events that I've had quantum touch in my life as a skill. And I think it's essential. I don't even think it's a luxury. I think it's essential that we all have these skills. So that's my message. And the other thing is, whether it's online or in person, I wouldn't be concerned about that, because what we've all seen, all the instructors, is that the online workshops are just as powerful as the in-person in terms of learning the same thing, getting as much practice experience in the breakout room. So if you can only get to, because of where you're located, an online workshop, I would go for it. It's definitely been the fuel in my life since the moment I learned it.